You've been asked here for absolute extrema. That means an absolute max. It also means you're looking for when y is the largest, and an absolute min is when y is the smallest. So those are the things you're looking for. The locations they can happen are at your endpoints, as we've discussed repeatedly. You have to check your endpoints. What are the endpoints? Well, when x equals 0 and x equals 3, because we've been given a closed interval over which we're looking at this function. Also, we could have an absolute max or min when there's a relative max or min, when the derivative equals 0 and changes signs. So we better start with the derivative. Derivative is easy in this case. 4x minus 4, factor out of 4, set it equal to 0. We will have a relative max or min when x equals 1. So now we're testing x equals 0, x equals 1, x equals 3, and we're going to find the y for all of them and see which are the absolute max and min. As we find the y values for each of these x values, we see the absolute minimum is y equals negative 4, and the absolute maximum is y equals 4. It's not needed to draw a picture, but sometimes it helps figure out what you've done. One of your endpoints was x equals 0, and you found the y to be negative 2. Your relative minimum was x equals 1 and y equals negative 4, and your other endpoint was x equals 3, y equals 4. So you can see this is your absolute max, and 4 is the y value. This is your absolute min, and negative 4 is your y value, making the answer E.